Welcome back to Percepta's series on Microsoft Project Desktop app. In this video, we'll learn how to create and organize tasks in Microsoft Project Desktop app. Let's get started. First, open your project file. Next, switch to the Task Usage view by clicking on the View tab at the top and selecting Task Usage. In the Task Name column, click on the first empty row and enter Training Task 1. Then press Enter. On the next row, in the same column, enter Training Task 2. Now, let's add some details for each task. In the columns next to the task names, locate the Start Date and Finish Date fields. For Training Task 1, enter Start Date, September 1st, 2025. Finish Date, October 1st, 2025. You'll notice that the duration column automatically updates based on these dates. Repeat the same steps for Training Task 2, but with the start date, November 1st, 2025, and finish date, November 10th, 2025. Next, enter details such as resource names for the two tasks. To do this, navigate to the View tab, then click Gantt Chart. Now double-click on Training Task 1 and update the percent complete to 20%. And that's it. You've now entered and updated your task details. Thank you for watching our video on creating and updating tasks in Microsoft Project. See you next time.